ETH, before we start looking at the chart, I need to highlight that for the viewers who are watching. Please refer to for each video we got the description part. We put the disclaimer. Please refer to it and read before watching the video. And what I want to say is that I'm not giving financial advice. Whatever I do here, just share my idea and I share how I look at the chart. And the only thing is this channel is for the education purpose. And what I'm doing here, I want to just share the way I look at the chart and my idea. And if it's helpful for the education traders, they can follow and learn. If not, then it's up to them. But what I want to say is that I'm not giving a financial advice at all. I'm not telling you when to buy and when to sell. Okay. What I want to say is that this is just my idea and the way I look at the chart. And if is helpful or not, I will appreciate the viewers to put the comment and to share their idea as well. Anyway, we move to monthly chart. And if we refer to my last video, I mentioned I'm looking to see the breakout of the 2400, 2.4K. Last time the price tag, there was no breakout. And with the breakout of 2.4, we can look, I'm looking for 2.9K. Okay. Based on monthly, I don't see any information. I mean, no changes. And if I move to lower time frame, weekly chart, similar explanation. And as I mentioned, with the breakout of 2.4, I'm looking for 2.9. And the breakout of this zone is very important for me to confirm for continuation. Okay. And if I refer to the indicators, one of them showing us the divergence. At this point, I'm not caring about the divergence. The only thing is I want to see whether the price can break 2.4 or not. Okay. Technically, I don't see anything to discuss here. And if I move to daily chart, again, I mentioned if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, how deep it can go, and if the price break 2.4, where it can go to, which is a 2.9. Okay. And since the price was here, I mentioned I'm expecting for the next drop. This is what we get. And right now this is what I'm getting. Okay. What I want to say is that if the price couldn't break the 2.4, I can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That's why the breakout of 2.4 is very important for me. But I'm looking at, if we look, I look at the chart with the breakout of the 2.4, I can expect for the divergence. Okay, this is where if I want to look for buy or if I want to look for trade, I will be more careful. And for me, if the price could break the 2.4, then from there I consider whether I should look for trade or not. At this point, as long as the price haven't break 2.4, I will not look at the trade. Yeah, okay, either I see the breakout of 2.4, then from there I will consider, that's mean to confirm the price break this one, then I consider whether I can look for trade or not. Or because if the price couldn't break the 2.4, I can expect this one turn to an internal correction with the next drop. If I get the next drop, this is the best I can look for in terms of the risk and reward. Okay, at this point, my opinion is to wait, and I don't see any opportunity. And if I move to lower time frame forward chart, similar explanation. And even based on forward chart with the breakout of the previous top, and even at this point, I see the divergence, and with the breakout of this top, also I can expect the divergence. That's why we have to see the breakout of this one, because when the price could break this correction, then we can consider whether there will be divergence or not. That's why at this point, I'm not really interested to look for trade setup. Either I see the breakout or I see the next drop. That means the breakout of 2.4 is really important for me. And if I move to lower time frame, if I move to 1 hour chart, there was opportunity to look for trade from here. Okay, but at this point, maybe I get a flag for continuation, but for me, I'm not really interested as long as the price couldn't break 2.4. Anyway, I just follow the chart. If I see any update, any changes, then I will share my view. Thanks.